Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a product category in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. And to create a product category, just go to Online Store, then click on Manage Store from the bottom. From this left side menu, click on Categories. As you can see, I already have multiple categories and to create a new one, click on Add Category. Give it a name, for example, shares. You can assign a product or multiple products to this category. For example, this product, click on Save, then hit this Save button. As you can see, a new category is added and it's called shares. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.